Hello everybody, thought I would share what I recently have been working on. Kind of excited. This is the old Atari Tempest. It just has been going through my mind. I saw a screenshot of it, some YouTube videos of the old Tempest, and it looked really geometric, so I decided to do it. So it's 16 triangles in a fan. It's just I can change that number or whatever, and it basically, I connect the dots here with the starting with the initial radius and the last radius as we loop through, creating the 17 triangles is because you close the loop, so it's a closed circle. Each triangle will have one vertex of 0, 0. So as you're creating the triangle fan, I'm recording in an array that is not a vertex array buffer or whatever you call it, vertex buffer. I'm just recording the triangle points as we go. And the random radius, so it kind of changes shape every time you play the game, or you load the, in this case, just load the game. So let's see. It just randomly chooses the radius, and then it calculates the angle as you go around the circle. Let's see. There's not really much to tell here. It saves the last radius because it's used in computing the next, or the current vertices is computed in the next loop, so I go I minus 1, and that's uses the last radius, and it uses the current angle. That's why it's just kind of... Anyways, and then so we add points as we go. That makes a triangle fan, and then all of the triangles are complete with the last one here, 16 tvec2. I calculated that as 17 times 0.3925, which is the angle differential as we go around the circle in radians. And at the end, we create just one triangle that will outline a triangle in the triangle fan, and that will be your cursor. That's pretty much it for the initialization. This code handles everything else as far as the mouse as you're moving around. Basically, this keeps track of the mouse. I deactivated the cursor for now to show off the Tempest-like cursor. So using the mouse X variable, so you're only, you're not moving around in a circle like this. You're moving like this to move around in a circle. Anyways, so the last X divided by that is 1 divided by 16. That becomes an integer, and it's floored, so you're getting the number 0 to 15 or whatever, and then that's going to keep winding up above 6.28, so when you divide that by that, you're going to get a number greater than 16 if you've already wound around once. And then so I just modulo by 16 to keep it within range there. And then we're also calculating based on the angle that you move the cursor around the circle, the triangle that is drawn over the map. And let me just show you how that works, because it's easier to show than it is to describe. So as I move my mouse in a circle, the one that is highlighted is the one that is calculated. All the others are put in place, and it's just, that's how you do it. Okay. And thanks for watching, everybody.